Bath and Body Works. Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing a Bath and Body Works haul. So I went to Bath and Body Works and I got a bunch of candles and soaps and hand sanitizers because it is the fall season, and you guys know that I'm obsessed with Bath and Body Works and I had to go pick up some more stuff. So I still have a pretty big candle collection going in my house. So if you guys are interested in seeing a full collection video that I have, I will definitely film that for you. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would be interested in seeing what my entire collection looks like. It is pretty big and I love it. So we're gonna start off by going through all of the hand soaps that I picked up today. So I actually convinced my boyfriend and our roommate Kyle, one of my best friends, to go to the city today, and Kyle wanted me to pick up some more Bath and Body Works candles and soaps for the house. So he did send me some money so I could go and pick up some stuff for him as well, so I did do that. So some of the scents that I picked up were specifically for him, just for things that I assumed he would like. So the first fall scent that I got from Bath and Body Works, I got all of the hand soaps that I normally get, so I always get the foaming hand soaps. So if I can find, I actually don't know whether I put the receipt. One sec. So I did pick up the hand soaps under the sale, 5 for $25, so they were each $5 each, and that's pretty awesome. So the first one that I got is Fall, or All About Fall, or All About Fall Y'all, All About Fall Y'all, it's hard to say. It has a cute little pumpkin on it. It is this gold little soap, and it smells like vanilla. So it smells really, really nice. It's a very light scent. It's not too overpowering, and these are my absolute favorite to pick up at Bath & Body Works because I really enjoy the foaming cleanser that it has. It literally just comes out through this pump in a foam, and that is one of the things that I particularly like about this type of soap. My roommate also says that he prefers these ones because it gets the grease off of his hands really easily from his job. So I think that's really awesome, and that's why we always pick up these. But I thought the little pumpkin on this golden soap was really cute, and I really liked the scent. So it is whipped frosting, sweet cream, and vanilla bean. And all of these soaps have vitamin E in them, shea extract, aloe, and they are gentle foam, delivers a rich lather to wash away dirt and germs. So I really like these, and this one smells absolutely amazing. The next one that I grabbed is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, and it is this really cute packaging. It has little marshmallows on it, almost like s'mores, and it has like cocoa, and it has Happy Fall on the side with a pumpkin and a hat, and it's just really adorable. This one smells like marshmallow pumpkin. I don't really know what the scent of this one is. This one is really strong. It says that it's creamy pumpkin and toasted marshmallow and warm praline. Okay, so the warm praline is the scent that I'm mostly getting because I didn't really know what the scent was, but it smells really nice. I really like the packaging. The packaging on it is really cute. It's really sleek, and I think it was absolutely adorable. So I picked this one up for Kyle because I assumed that he would like this one the most. So that's one that I grabbed for him. The next one that I grabbed for Kyle was the soap Flannel. So I've had this one before in the form of a candle, and I had bought it for my boyfriend Kyle, and he liked it. It was just a very strong scent. It was a very strong kind of cologne smell for a candle, and that's exactly what it smells like in the soap. It is a very, very masculine scent, so if you aren't really interested in masculine scents, if you go more for like a fruity scent, you probably won't like this one very much. This one really does remind me of men's cologne, so if you are into that kind of scent, then this is a really good option. It doesn't have any cute packaging or anything. It's just the White Barn, like their standard packaging logo. I really like the ones that are like designed like this, that have like cute little designs all over them. I think they're really adorable. But this one is just the standard White Barn packaging, and I think it's really nice. So what I mean by masculine scent, it is autumn air, heirloom mahogany, and cedarwood. So cedarwood is, and like birchwood, and like all of those scents that are in almost like essential oils is kind of what I say for masculine scent. I could be wrong, but that's just where my mind goes. It goes directly to cologne, like a men's fragrance. So that's what this one smells like. So if you are interested in heirloom mahogany and cedarwood, you really will like this one. I particularly am not the biggest fan of that scent. I find it too overpowering and too strong for me in particular, but I knew he would like it, and he did. The next one is, one of the reasons I picked this one out is because of the packaging. I thought the packaging was super adorable. So it's Perfect Pumpkin, and this one is carved pumpkin, spooky cinnamon, and moonlight vanilla. So it's a pumpkin vanilla scent, and it smells really nice. Honestly, I'm getting a lot of the cinnamon fragrance in it. It has a really, really almost sharp scent, kind of like apples. It kind of reminds me of a fall scent, obviously, but it really has like an apple scent in there. And I picked it up because I thought the packaging was really cute, not necessarily because of the scent, but I thought it smelled good regardless. And the next one, the last one I picked up is Don't Stop Beliefing, and I thought that was really cute. The leaves are little smiles and little hands, and they're dancing, and I thought that was really cute. So this one is Orange Vanilla Swirl. So it is kind of like a orange creamsicle kind of scent. It smells exactly like an orange creamsicle, and I think it smells absolutely amazing. So this one is obviously vanilla, orange, and sugar crystals. It was really hard to smell each item in the store in between wearing a mask. So I kind of just went off of what the packagings looked like and which ones I thought would be the best between me and Kyle. So I think this one is a really big hit, and I'm very excited that I got one that smells like a freaking creamsicle. So amazing. The next 5 or 6 items that I got, I'm not going to show you 2 of them because 2 of them I've already given to Kyle and they were just repeats. So I got a bunch of hand sanitizers. So you can't really smell these because they're really strong and overpowering, and it's just kind of would burn my nose off after smelling one of them. So this one is Cucumber Melon, and it's going to smell like cucumbers. This one is Toasted Vanilla Chai, and I think it's really cute. The packaging has little gingerbread all over it, and it's really adorable. The next one is Warm Vanilla Sugar, so it's just a vanilla scent. And the last one is Frosted Cranberry, and we've had this one last year, so we knew that we liked it. It comes out around fall, December, kind of Christmassy area, and I knew I really liked it, so that's why we grabbed it. So that was the hand sanitizers. So the hand sanitizers were 6 for $10, so 2 of them I've already given to Kyle, and the rest I'm keeping. And now on to my favorite part, the candles. So I got 6 candles and they were $16 each. So I did spend a pretty penny in Bath & Body Works today. It wasn't the best sale in the world for candles. Usually the candles, when they go on sale, are about $11. Today they were only $16 each, and that was still really great. It's $9.95 off. Regularly they are $25.95, so they retail for about $26, 26 Canadian when they're not on sale. So I think that's a really good sale. Whenever I always go and pick up my candles whenever they are on sale, I never buy them full price because I think $25, $26 for a candle is way too much. So that's why I always choose to go whenever they're having their sales. Plus I needed to stock up on my fall fragrances because I don't have any fall ones. I only have summer ones left. So the first one that I'm going to go into is actually a summer fragrance. So they still had some of the summer fragrances in stock, and I grabbed this one. This was actually recommended to me from one of the ladies that was working at the store that I went to today. So this is the White Barn brand. This is Raspberry Mimosa. I've never actually smelt this one before or used this one before, but it smells absolutely amazing. It smells very strong of raspberries. The mimosa scent is just very strong. It smells exactly like a mimosa, honestly, but it does really smell like raspberries. It kind of reminds me of raspberry yogurt. So if you know what that smells like, that's exactly what this candle smells like. And I think it's really gorgeous. It's a pink candle, so the wax is dyed pink. It is a standard 3-wick candle, and I think it's really awesome. So after making these myself, I know that to fill one of these Bath & Body Works candles, it's about 1 pound of wax, so that's really great. You get 411 grams, so that's 14.5 ounces, and this one is sweet raspberries, rose sorbet, and a splash of champagne. So that is what the scent that I'm getting. But honestly, whenever I smell it, I'm honestly smelling raspberry yogurt. It smells creamy, it smells very fruity, and honestly, it's a really nice scent. So this one is obviously one of their summer collection scents. It's not really a fall scent at all, but I think it smells really great. I wish the packaging was a little bit cuter, but again, like I said, it's just the standard White Barn packaging. It's kind of a little bit boring, but it still really smells great, and that's kind of why I get candles anyway, so whatever. So the next one is Harvest Gathering. So it has little leaves all over it, and it is fresh picked apple, autumn berries, and clove bud. So I'm getting a really strong scent of the clove in it and a little bit of the apple. So it is a really fresh scent, and then it has that really spicy clove scent to it. It is a white candle with the standard 3 wicks, and so this candle wax isn't dyed or anything. I think it's really like fresh of a scent. It's really crisp. It smells really nice. It's actually kind of refreshing, but I do think this is going to be one of the scents that would probably give me a headache after burning it for a little while. So it'll be probably one that I either let Kyle burn a little bit more downstairs away from me, unless really just in the middle of my office or in my living room, just because it's really strong. So I think it will give me a little bit of a headache, but I do think that it smells really nice. So I wanted to pick it up, especially because I wanted to get some scents that I knew my boyfriend would prefer over the really, really strong fruity ones, because he says that the fruity ones are the ones that give him the headache, or so we're complete opposites. So the next one that I grabbed is actually one that I always grab whenever I go to Bath & Body Works, because my boyfriend is obsessed with it. So it is the Paris Cafe candle. So it is a ombre style candle. I do have this packaging already in my living room, and then I have a Christmas version of it in my living room as well. But this is the only one that they had at the store today. So this was just the White Barn standard kind of boring packaging, like I said. But this is the coffee scented candle, and I actually picked this one up for my roommate today because he said he wanted a coffee scent, and unfortunately, they didn't have any of the fall, autumn, or Christmas, I guess, season scents out yet, so I had to deal with just the standard coffee scent that is available year-round. But it does smell really nice, and he does really like it, so I grabbed this one for him. I already have many duplicates of this in my living room, so like I said, I didn't really need that candle for me in particular, but he likes it and he wanted it, so I grabbed that one for my roommate. So the next one is Pumpkin Bonfire. So it has gray leaves all around it. It is a gray kind of toned candle, but it's really, really nice. It is white pumpkin and bundle of clove buds and then glowing embers. So it smells very, very smoky. It's a very, very, again, kind of masculine scent almost. It kind of reminds me of men's cologne, but I think that's the clove that's in it that I'm smelling the most. So, and the glowing embers, whatever scent that is. So it is a very masculine scent. Like I said, it's a very strong kind of men's cologne smell. So if you aren't really into that kind of scent, you might not like this candle in particular, but I really like it. I think it smells really great. Again, this is gonna be one that we're probably gonna have to burn a little bit away from me so that I don't get a headache during the day if it is burning in our living room. But I do think that the packaging is really cute, and I knew my boyfriend would like it. I also really liked the lid. The lid is a little bit different than the rest of them. It kind of reminds me of like bark on a tree, and I think that's really, really cute. So this was the Pumpkin Bonfire, and I thought that was really cute, and I'm glad I picked it up because I knew my boyfriend would enjoy it. And the last two candles smell actually very similar to each other. So this is the Bourbon Tea Salt Caramel Candle. So I got this one for my roommate because, again, I knew that he would prefer this kind of scent. So it does smell very strong to caramel. It is a very, very, very nice scent. It is bourbon, sea salt, caramel. Oh, I guess it just reads it into French. So it's bourbon, sea salt, and caramel. So the bourbon, I'm not the biggest fan of in this candle. I do just prefer the caramel scent. If it was just a caramel candle, I probably would have picked this one up for myself. But the bourbon scent, again, I'm not the biggest fan of. It's very strong, so I think this might be a candle, again, that gives me a headache. A lot of these candles, these fall scents, are ones that I don't particularly want to burn all the time, but they do smell really nice. I think that I would prefer one to be more just a caramel kind of scented candle. And then that brings me to the last one. This is the reason that I picked this one up for myself, was because this was Caramel Pumpkin Swirl, and that smells so much better to me. So this one has Caramel Pumpkin Swirl, so it's luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, and creamy vanilla. What was the last one? Yeah, it's just bourbon, sea salt, and caramel. So because this one has a vanilla scent into the caramel, that is one of the reasons that I'm liking it a little bit more. But again, maybe it's the pumpkin that I'm smelling in it, but I'm getting kind of an apple scent from it. I'm getting more of like a really crisp apple scent, and there's no apple in it. Maybe it's just the ground cinnamon that I'm smelling, and my mind is just like thinking, well, cinnamon, apple. Maybe that's what it is. But I do think this one was my absolute favorite. Out of all of the ones that I picked up today for me that I'm keeping myself, I would say that the Raspberry Lemonade one, which is actually a summer scent, is one of my absolute favorites. And then this one, because I really liked the packaging. I think the packaging is really cute. I think the little pumpkins all over it and then mixed in with the cinnamon is really cute. And then the caramel, where did the caramel go? The caramel, I think. I think that was really awesome. I think it smells really great, and the packaging is just adorable. So that was all of my candles that I picked up today. So this wasn't a very big haul, but like I said at the beginning of the video, I do have a lot of candles still in my living room already. So I didn't necessarily need to go and restock up right away, but I did want to go and smell some of their fall scents and dive into a little bit of autumn since we are in autumn, since I've brought out my autumn toque and I'm wearing my orange eyeliner. I do think that this Bath & Body Works had a lot of fun scents today. They did have a lot of fall, autumn scents that were really interesting and a little bit different than I've ever purchased before. I don't think I've ever actually purchased any of their fall scents before besides like a pumpkin spice soap, but I usually stick it out till about the beginning of November and then they bring out the Christmas scents, and I think I prefer those scents a little bit more because they have like hot chocolate, they have more coffee scents, they have like latte scents, they have like log fire scents, like they just have a little bit more of those type of scents, and I think I prefer those ones. So the total that I spent at Bath & Body Works today was $130.96, and then there was tax on it, which was $6.55. So my total was $137.51. Like I said though, my roommate did buy his stuff. So he bought 2 of the candles and 2 of the soaps, and then I gave him 2 of my hand sanitizers. So he did transfer me about $40. After him sending me the money, I think I spent about $90 in Bath & Body Works, which is pretty great. And the total discount with the sale that I got today was $76.49. So this whole haul would have been well over $200 if I hadn't had it on sale. So that is something that I'm very thankful for, and I love the fact that Bath & Body Works does sales all the time. That is absolutely amazing. So this was everything that was in my Bath & Body Works haul this season, so the autumn season. I know this was a really quick video and a quick little fall season Bath & Body Works candle haul, but I did really like everything that I got. I was a little bit underwhelmed with the selection of the fall items though. There was like a whole wall in the Bath & Body Works store that was the fall scents, and they were mostly just like different variations of candles with pumpkin in it. So it was literally like pumpkin cinnamon, pumpkin swirl, pumpkin bonfire, just like stuff like that. It was like their version of fall scents had to have the name pumpkin in it, and I think I would have preferred a little bit different scents. I wanted more of like hot chocolate, mocha, and lattes. Like I wanted more coffee scents. That's just kind of where my mind goes to when it comes to fall. I think of Starbucks and I think of coffee and I think of like pumpkin spice lattes. That's just where I would have preferred to get scents for. If I had gotten like a pumpkin spice latte candle, that would have been so awesome. Or like even a hot chocolate candle. They did have a hot cocoa candle, but it was only one of their small 1-wick candles, and I didn't really want to spend money on it because it wasn't part of the sale. So also I just didn't want a small candle of that scent. I wanted a big one. But that was everything that was in this haul this season. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, I'm sorry this was a really quick video and a really short haul. I did spend a lot actually. I did spend a significant amount of money in there, so it wasn't that small of a haul, I guess. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!